All right, so if you take a look at this, you can see this is my Bybit account. Okay, so I want to go to my profit and loss for us to see how far I'm doing when it comes to trading in my Bybit account. As you can see, this is my Bybit, so I'm going to click on trade. Okay, I've clicked on trade, so I'm going to click on this place where they write this, see this arrow here close to the settings, this box here. I'm going to tap on it. So now I've tapped on it. Now I'm going to navigate now to P and L, which is profit and loss. Okay, if you take a look at this, so I'm going to click the profit and loss now. So we're going to see how far I've done when it comes to my trading in the last 30 days. So I will click on profit and loss. So this is my Bybit account, so don't forget this. So let me click on profit and loss. All right, so I'll click on P and L. Okay, so I've clicked on P and L. You can see now I want you to learn something from this result. Okay, I want you to learn something from this result in case if you are a new trader, and then if you are also not a profitable trader. I just want to scroll down my page. That's my profit and loss. Okay, I just want to scroll down and just teach you guys. I think let me stop here at least. I think this place should be okay. Now I want you to take a look at this. If you take a look at this date here, you can see this is 23rd of April 2025. You can see I earned $432 here. Now on the 24th of April 2025, I earned $2,465. On the 28th of April 2025, you can see I earned $177. Now what did you notice? You can see that between 24th and 28th, you can see it means 25, 26, 27 for good 3 days. I didn't take any traders. I didn't make any trade for good 3 days. I no enter trade at all. Why I no enter trade? Because I no see the setup where they work for me. I no see wetin they make me dey profitable each time I do trading. I no see am for market. So wetin I do? I relax. I no kill myself say no, I must trade. Or I no say oh no, I dey miss out on something. That's why I need to go into trade. Bro, you are not missing out on anything. You are not missing out on anything. The market is just playing with your emotions. Let me continue. I want you to learn something from my results. Now, you can see from this is on the 28th, yeah. Now on the 29th, I earned $683. Okay. Now, what did you learn from this place? Now, if you come back to the trade, you can see I was very patient. At least I was patient for good 3 days without taking any trades, just because I didn't see what is working for me. Let's continue. Now, if you check this place very well, you can see this is on the 29th of April 2025. The next date I actually did my trading was on the 1st of May 2025. What happened? 1 day in between. That's on the 30th of April. I didn't take any trade. Why didn't I trade? Because I know see wetin dey work for me. But guess what? On the 1st of May 2025, I see wetin dey work for me. I make how much? $3,922. Yeah, make I continue. Now you can see on the 1st of May. Now on the 2nd of May, imagine say I don't make $3,922. On the 2nd of May, some people, if they don't make this kind of money, then go feel say yes, I go fit tomorrow or even that same day. I won't double that money, or I won't triple that money, or even the next day I suppose trade. Bro, you are not supposed to trade every single day if you don't see your setup. In fact, that adage where they say less is more, that is how trading is. Less is more. The more you keep trading every single day, the more you feel like you must trade, the more you are prone to error. The more you go dey make mistake, the more the market go dey give you gbas. Na so e be. Na so e be. Take a look at this. This is on the 1st of May. Till on the 5th of May, for good 3 days again, I no trade. I stay out of the market. For the day where I go into trading, boom, I make $1,878. Look, we'll continue. Watch the date though. This is on the 5th of May. On the 6th of May, I went into the market. I see wetin dey work for me. I trade. I make what? $1,588. Make we continue. Now on the 7th, you can see this is on the 6th. On the 7th, what happened on the 7th? I know see wetin work for me. I relax. But see on the 8th. On the 8th, I make how much? $983. Now on the 9th, I see setup wey dey work for me. I enter trade, I make another $973. Okay. Now same on the 9th again. I still see my setup. Still, this day like things they go on for me that very day. I took advantage of the opportunity. I still on that same day I make another $2,588. Now make we continue. You can see on the 9th, but on the 10th, what happened? Why I no trade on the 10th? I no see wetin dey work for me. What of on the 11th? I don't make 2.5 for year. Why I suppose make trade? What happen? Why I no trade? I no see wetin work for me. I relax. So that is what they are talking about when it comes to trading. You have to be extremely patient, and you have to know how to master waiting. In fact, waiting is profit when it comes to trading. Trading is a waiting game. If you can't wait, if you can't have that patience to wait, you will lose. In fact, the market will finish you. Market go finish you gbas. Na so e be. You can see I actually waited here from on the 9th to on the 12th. And guess what? On the 12th, when I wait till that on the 12th, I enter market. What will happen? $6,309. I want to make you learn from this result where you see. Make I still screw up again. Yeah, make I screw up again. Now from on the 12th, the next day, which is on the 13th, I make $1,302. Wait till you learn from these results. Now I just want to ask you. And one other thing, wait till you see. At least I know say I need to lose for trading. I did lose, but at least this is just some of my winning streaks. Like from the past 2 weeks now, the past 3 to 4 weeks or so, I never lose anything. There are some days at least in a month I might lose like once or maybe twice in a month, because I'm very cautious. I'm very super careful when it comes to selecting trade. And one other thing I do is that I don't just go into the market. Any setup, any trade I know I want to enter, it must be high quality trade. Before I enter that trade, I'll ask myself, is this a good trade? How sure am I that this trade will be profitable? Have I done all my checks well? Is this the setup that is actually working for me, or am I FOMOing into the market? In fact, I ask myself series of questions before I go into this profitable trade. I have a whole lot of these questions I've written down. Now, if you want to join my WhatsApp group, where I will be giving you guys the guide of things that I normally ask myself, question I ask myself before I goes into any trade, I will give it out for you for free. Now, here's another thing. If you want to learn trading from me, I have a free trading course I'm giving out to anybody that wants to learn. It's free. I'm not charging for trading course. You can learn all by yourself if you want. It's a course. But if you want my mentorship, bro, I go charge you. I no go tell you say like this or like this. I go charge you, and I need to do one-to-one mentorship. Now one-to-many. I need to do one-to-one mentorship. My results speak for me louder than how I did make noise for internet. I know they say I won't come make noise or I won't come blah 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 like that. Most people will they see for online, their student money, now they use they sustain themselves. I need to use student money sustain myself. I sustain myself with my results where I get from trading. The only reason why I go charge you when it comes to say you won't learn, because number one, I just can't give you for free. Because if I even give you for free, you no go take am serious. Number one, you will not take the information that you are learning serious. But when you pay for it, you will value whatever information Whatever anything I ask you to do, you will value it when you pay for it. But if you are getting it for free, I say do like this. I even give you practical lesson. I say there are some crazy things I will ask you to do. You will think, oh, it doesn't make sense. Why would this guy say I should do this thing? But if you pay for those things, I ask you to do those things, you will do it because you want to learn from somebody who somebody who is not just getting results, but who have also made a whole series of losses before he started mastering his craft when it comes to trading. I not tell you say I need a lose for trading. I dey lose. All these results I show you now. I just want make you learn something from it. I dey lose from trading. All right, I dey lose, but before I lose, I know say I go beat my chest, say yes, now setup wey dey work for me. Because sometimes you can do everything right for trading and you go still lose. Now so trading just be. All right, so if I won't lose for trading, I know say yes, so I lose maybe because of say I no enter quality trade, but because trading is what it is. So now so it be. So and at least the last time I check, I know say I be profitable trader. I did do well when it comes to trading. All right, I did do well. So if you want to learn trading from me, or you want my mentorship or so, or you just want to learn, even though you don't want my mentorship, you want to learn, as like I said, I have free course. You can learn A to Z about trading. It's free. But one thing I will tell you, as far as trading is concerned, time will come. The knowing trading won't be the issue. The issue you will have will be you yourself. It will be you. Now you go dey fight yourself as far as trading is concerned. Now there trading hard reach. It is you against you. You are fighting against yourself, which is the most difficult battle. If you are fighting with someone else, you can plan how you want to destroy that person, or you can strategize how you can think of the person's weakness. But whenever you are fighting against yourself, you will be biased, and it is very difficult. So these are the parts, and these are some of the things I'll be teaching you on how to overcome, because trading is 90% psychology. The remaining 10%, or let me just say 80% psychology. The remaining 20% are just understanding how the chart work and all that. But the major thing is psychology. If you can master psychology, you will get this kind of result I am getting when it comes to trading. You can see the days that I'm just relaxing, I'm not trading, and the days you can just see how patient I was. Sometimes 2 days, 3 days, I don't even trade. Sometimes 3 days, I don't. Sometimes even 4 days, 5 days. I can scroll down, change this to 60 days and all that, but this video will be very long. You can see sometimes 5 days I don't trade. So it's called discipline. You have to be extremely disciplined when it comes to trading. So like I said, if you want my mentorship, just click the link in the description of this video to take you to my WhatsApp group, and then from there I will show you and then put you through on how you start your journey, your trading journey. So I will catch you in my next video, and always remember to stay safe. Peace.